Now I'm pretty sure I'm focused. Let me just do this one more time. Okay. Anyways, hi everybody. Welcome back to Beauty by Rena. So today I will be showing you my updated natural hair routine. I excluded the shampoo and conditioning of my hair, but I will include the shampoo and conditioner that I do use down in the description down below. I feel like everybody knows how to shampoo and condition their hair at this point, so we don't need to see that. I tried that in the shower once with my Diva Curl video and it just was a foggy mess, so I'm not doing. So we're skipping right down to the wash and stay because we ain't going nowhere. We're going straight to the wash and stay routine. That's what I'm gonna call this, the wash and stay. I may be uploading a video where I show you all how I ruined my hair. So let's just take a look at the damage that I did. I don't know if you guys can see. My ends are lightened. They don't look that light right now. But I can promise you that last night I definitely did bleach my ends. I wanted a nice little ombre look, but however, I just ended up literally bleaching my ends. Somebody's calling me. Your hair looks so nice! Look at it, right? It's crazy. It's coming off brighter here than it is on camera. It looks like I didn't dye anything. When I'm doing my wash and goes, I like to do it on wet hair. So I just washed out my hair and I had it in a microfiber towel. If you're wondering why everything I own is pink, is because I literally have an obsession with pink. If I have an accessory item like this, it has to be pink. I like to take a little bit of water and just really saturate it, but not too much because I like going in with a water-based leave-in because I do have I have thick hair strands, but I have thin density. I like to go in with a water-based leave-in just so I can also wet my hair, but not, I want to wet my hair and also moisturize it in the same setting. So this one is a new one that I recently started using. If you guys know, in my last video I used Carol's Daughter. I used that one for some years. So I've just found this one. It was on sale and it smells delicious. Like, I love the smell of it. It's really, really good. And it's the Uncle Funky's Daughter Defunk Hair Refresher Tonic. After that, I go in with the Jane Carter solution. It's the Curls to Go Wash and Untangle Me Weightless Leave-In. So I really love this leave-in. Like, I have been using this leave-in for about a good year now, and it just gives me such amazing slip like on my hair. It makes it feel nice and soft, and it gives me that very, very detangled look. Now I'm gonna go with my L Hawaiian Ginger moisturizing hair butter and take a little bit on my hands. So like I said, I don't want it to be weighed down, and I'm using a lot of different products. I also do not concentrate as much on the roots just because, like I said, so when my roots are more so puffy and less moisturized, which sounds bad, but when they are less moisturized, I get that really nice volume look. When I have a lot of product on my roots, my hair is more so flat, so I like to focus it on the ends of my hair. Now, I'm also going to take this Davro. I got this sample size from Birchbox in Williamsburg. If you guys are ever in Williamsburg, hit up Birchbox. They have a lot of goodies there. Tell them that Serena sent you too. Boom. But I'm using this Davro Ends Repair because I just bleached my ends. So I want to focus that more so on my ends. They are feeling a tad bit dry. Once I am done with that, I would like to go in with my Carol's Daughter Goddess Strength 7 Oil Blend Hair and Scalp Oil. And this for weak and breakage prone hair. And I just like to put that all on my roots. I like to grease my scalp, but as I said, sometimes my hair can get weighed down easily, so I prefer to use the oil instead of the grease. Lastly, I'm going to take the Curl Balls Coconut Curling Jelly by Aunt Jackie's. I was sitting here chatting and I did not realize that I was not recording. So I go in with the Aunt Jackie's curling jelly. I switched out my favorite Diva Curl Ultra Refining Gel for that curling jelly. I haven't found anything as amazing as that gel, but I am scared to use it because I just don't want to damage my hair. Like, I've worked too hard to get my hair this length. If y'all watched my previous videos, you've seen how short my hair was before and how long I got it to be now. Just can't. So I put the gel in and then I detangle it, not detangle it, but I comb through it with this pink, I don't know what to call this. It's kind of like a Demon brush, but it separates so it doesn't snag on your hair. I really love this one, way better than the Demon brush. I just comb through my hair and it helps it clump together and be a little bit more defined. Sometimes I do also go in with my Tangle teasing brush, kind of dusty and crusty, but this one has the bristles closer together, so it gives you that more like ultra defined curl. And then after I apply all of that, I also go in with the Maui Moisture Coconut Milk Weightless Oil Mist, just to spray and seal in all that. So I also wanted to show you the difference between my hair before I apply product and my hair after. And I also, when I get closer, you guys can see more clearly the actual color of the hair that I dyed. So I'm going to continue doing the process throughout my whole head and you guys can watch me.
That I am sober. No matter how I did all, I just keep getting on. Oh la 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 la. You've been on my mind for a while now, trying to get you out 'cause this ain't right now. You said it was a vibe for the time being. It was nothing more, but I just couldn't see it. This is not a song for the whole world. Felt like it could have been us against the whole world. Baby, you were mine and I was your girl. Whatever happened to the time that we spent sober? I take back what I said.
So I have my handy dandy pink diffuser. I got this from TJ Maxx for, I don't know, a while ago. I don't know, probably like $30, $40. So I let it air dry for like an hour and a half, and it's pretty dry. I think the gel dried it pretty fast. Back with my hair oil, I'm just going to, my hair is already very greasy, but I always like to spray my hair with oil before I touch it. I'm going to just bring it all around town.
For some time now, sipping on Bacardi till it runs out. You are in the corner with your head down. I don't even wanna know what that's about. 'Cause you're the one that's always getting too wasted. I'm the one that's never that intoxicated. Tonight I'm in my feelings, oh I'm faded. But I don't wanna think about the complicated. Young.
We got a little bit of second day hair going on right here. Second day hair is my favorite because then the hair really gets time to like settle in and, you know, be at its full potential. So I never really do a wash and go. I do a wash, as I said, a wash and stay, so that the next day it'll be perfect. Okay, it might not be perfect the first day, but the next day it damn sure will. I hope you all enjoyed my video. I hope I gave you all some tips that you can use for your hair to get it more voluminous if your hair is similar to mine. Stay tuned for more videos coming to you soon. If you want to know how I did this makeup look, I do have a video on my IGTV. I will link it down below. I hope you all are staying nice and healthy, mentally reviving yourself during this quarantine. I will be dropping a quarantine routine very soon. So that is all I have for you all today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay healthy, beauties. Bye.